Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for your OnePlus 10T 5G. So let's start with opening our Google Play Store, as right here we can find Microsoft Edge browser. So it's right here and we can install this app. When it's finally ready, open your app. Here you can customize it, so sign in to turn on synchronization. You can skip it by pressing on sign in later. You can also enable or disable or allow or disallow the setup for data sharing preferences. I'm gonna disallow this and confirm. Lastly, set Edge as a default browser. And finally, if we open any website, we can start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.